Let's hear some original ToolkitRC M7AC and M9 sounds. They are not really that bad, but there is definitely some room for improvement.
0. Welcome to ToolkitRC. Cancel. Cells. Dark. Discharge charge 2.
Input, input, input,
Input over current.
input,
The internal temperature is 2. Input voltage is 2. Korean. Italian. Korean. Korean. Lipo. Lion. LIHV. Max current. Measure resisted. Medium. NIMH.
So, I've decided to hire a professional voiceover actor. Unavoidable, not so fun, part follows. Slicing up audio files, keeping up with the original ToolkitRC file naming convention, correcting some errors and mistakes in their files, etc. Note, I had to create 204 separate audio files. Let's preview some of the sounds I've made for this sound pack. Access your ToolkitRC SD card, locate the sounds folder and navigate to the subfolder called ENG. This is the folder with original ToolkitRC sounds. Rename it to a different name. We are doing this just so we can keep original sounds too. Let's check how first Seii-Sound Pack sounds. Normal female voice.
0, 1, 2, 1000, point, 0.5, 0.6. Announce volume. Backlight. Balance start voltage. Battery connected. Battery selection. Balance port disconnected. Balance port voltage match error. Charge current. Cycle times. Continuous work. End voltage. English. German. French. Inspire. Input settings. Input. Internal temperature is too high. Italian. Japanese. Korean. Korean. Language. Lithium polymer. Lithium iron phosphate. High voltage lithium polymer. Lithium ion. Light. Low battery voltage. Max current. Mavic S. Measure resistance. Measure signal. Minus. Millivolt. Main port access load. Main port disconnected. Balance connection not needed. Operation volume. Portuguese. Quick charge completed. Phantom.
If you like them, simply rename their folder to ENG. That will allow your charger to access these new sound files. Let's hear second Seii-Sound Pack. Vocoder effect number 1.
0, 1, 19, 60, 200, 500. Adapter. Adjustment. Announce volume. Backlight. Battery connected. Battery selection. Balance port disconnected. Charge current. External temperature is too high. German. French. External temperature is too low. Internal temperature is too high. Low battery voltage. Measure resistance. Operation volume. Output voltage. Personalization.
Let's hear third Seii-Sound Pack. Vocoder effect number 2.
0, 1, minus, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9. adjustment, announce volume, battery selection, balance port high cell voltage, balance port disconnected, charge, Chinese, continuous work, discharge mode, discharge current, end voltage, input settings, language, Korean, Japanese, lithium polymer, high voltage lithium polymer, Mavic 2, medium, measure resistance, operation volume, personalization, output voltage too high, quick charge completed, safe external temperature, safe capacity, safe time, Spanish, stop, theme style, traditional Chinese, UAV bat, trickle, voltage range, warning volume, work completed, yes, yes, yes.
ToolkitRC M7AC with Seii-Sound Packs in use. Note, in this demonstration, 2 sound packs are shown only. Normal female voice, US English, and Seii-Sound Pack, vocoder number 1, US English.
Welcome to ToolkitRC. Input settings. Security settings. Personalization. Battery selection. Continuous work. Work completed. Balance start voltage. Default. ID. Personalization. Backlight. Operation volume. Warning volume. Backlight. 4. 6. Security settings. Measure resistance. Measure signal. Signal output. ESC test. Power. Output voltage. Max current. 1.3 ampere. 1.4 ampere. ESC test. Power. Start. Lithium polymer. High voltage lithium polymer. Lithium iron phosphate. Nickel metal hydride. Lithium polymer. 3 cells. 6 cells. Auto. Discharge. Storage. Charge. Charge current. Battery type. High voltage lithium polymer. Lithium polymer. Input settings. Security settings. Personalization. Battery selection. Personalization.